excited to introduce to you something new I'm doing. I have become a member on Patreon, and I'll put a link in the description box below, and I might be able to put one up on the screen here. But what I'm doing is I am making crochet videos of things you just can't find other places. I've named it something fun like Not Your Mama's Crochet channel. And so I would love for you to come and check out what we've done. I have a new video of it's a hot/cold drink mitt or a glove, and what's really great is that your hand can get hot or cold trying to carry your drink, and so this is a glove to protect your hand and wear something kind of fun at the same time. So I'm going to insert some pictures here of the different ones I have. And it's really versatile, it's a lot of fun. You can adjust it to the size of hand you have, which is really fun, or you can make a matching glove for your other hand to wear a pair. Make these for gifts and things like that. It is $3, that's it, to watch the video, and then you have it forever on Patreon, because you can always watch it again and again and again, or go slow, or rewind it, or anything you like. And so it's a lot of fun, and it's just a way to support my my yarn addiction. And so I hope you come and join me over there. It's going to be a lot of fun, and there's a platform where you can talk and ask questions and things like that. And I plan to do a lot of original crochet videos. So come and join me over on Patreon, and I'll see you there.